This is the 90-day Future Grads program. So this was designed for students from 16 years of age. Obviously, kids who are younger can also join. But this was specifically created by me from Future Grads International Academy to help kids from the ages of 12 to 16 and even above to prepare for their tertiary education, to have the right knowledge, to set themselves up in a way where they make the right decision when it comes to their further studies, so that they choose a pathway that is aligned with the job market and the earning potential and also their interests as well. So now week 1 will be orientation day, so we'll all get to know each other, and I will introduce you to the syllabus and the course content for the next 12 weeks, and I will also be teaching you about the demand and supply, the different job markets like locally, globally, and what activities you will have to do at home. So a little bit about me. I graduated with a BSc Honours in Biotechnology. I studied at BMS and I was awarded the degree in Northumbria University, and I did my tutoring in AI, English language, IT skills and social media consulting. So I have done a few projects in data analytics, AI model development and low-code application, and I've also built audiences across various channels on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. So my goal here with this course is to help you kids set yourself up for success in a way where you are ready in terms of your IT literacy, where you're ready to build your own personal brand to attract opportunities such as jobs, freelancing, and even business opportunities, and also to set yourself up in a way where you're confident to speak in front of a camera, in front of an audience, and you can address the crowd in a good way. So week 1 we will be covering introduction to AI, Excel, content creation, and I will be teaching you the full suite of Microsoft Office, so the free version of M365 and the Google tools such as Google Sheets, Google Word and Google Forms and all of that. I will also be teaching you how to learn, because that is also very important. You have to learn how to learn, right? So the best learning habits, the Pomodoro technique, the deep learning technique, the active recall and memorization techniques that will help you get through this course and actually recall what you learned in these 90 days. So one of the fundamental principles when it comes to data analysis is being able to clean and organize data in a way where you can build relationships and form those relationships in a way where you can build a dashboard to give an insight to the business, to the stakeholders, for them to make a decision based on those insights. So we will be using a few software tools such as Power BI and Excel together, and we will also be showing you how to use AI to speed up the process. Now obviously, if you're building a personal brand, you have to have a solid grasp of video editing and content creation, and you have to be able to speak in front of a camera if you're doing a non-faceless channel, especially if you're doing a personal brand. And I'll give an introduction into AI systems, so softwares where you can automate certain tasks, make your life a bit easier and faster. And in the 3rd month we will be diving a bit deep into advanced Excel, and I'll show you the content strategy which can be used to follow a content calendar and build your portfolio as well in terms of IT projects, so that you can be prepared for the workforce. And finally we will have a capstone project with a review, and we'll award you with a certificate of completion if you pass the assessments. So it's not just the knowledge, I also want to help you kids prepare for the job market, because me personally, when I was 21 and I had graduated, I was not too aware of what are the opportunities in terms of what is the correct pathway to go forward. So I want to make sure that the next generation doesn't repeat the same mistakes I do. So I'm teaching you from my experience, what are the local and global opportunities, which countries to target, what are the skilled migration lists, what is the experience you need to get, and to develop a mindset of lifelong learning to make sure that you keep on growing, learning, improving and doing. So there will be a bit of homework, so I would say you would dedicate about 5 to 6 hours per week, because you need to do the assignments, you need to practice your typing skills as well to get your typing speed up to 75 words per minute. And once you complete these weekly assignments, it will ensure your skill development. So after practicing with these software tools, you will have a solid grasp of the most popular tools available for the IT industry. And after getting that proficiency in the wide range of software applications and the mentorship that you have from me, it will help you make a wise choice in your career, where you will be able to go forward with a career choice where you meet your purpose in terms of, for example, the Japanese principle of ikigai, where you love what you do, you're good at what you do, you make good money what you do, and you're making a solid difference in the world as well. So at the end of this course, you'll have a portfolio of practice projects as well, and hopefully a really good personal brand audience. So that's it for this introduction. If you're interested in the course, do shoot me a DM. My number and contact details are in the bio, and the admission form is there as well. So thanks for watching, and follow for more. If you need any tips, just shoot me a DM.